In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save Google Form responses to a USB drive. There are a few different ways that you might want to do this, so here's how I will go about it. So first, you need to go to Google Forms. If you haven't already, once you're on Google Chrome, if you go to Google Apps in the top right-hand corner, you can just scroll down and find Forms. Here, if you're logged into your Google account, you'll be able to find the form you want to save responses for. For me, that is this untitled form. So we can click on it, and then you should be able to see the responses here. It should say how many responses there are. Now you've got a couple of different options here. When you first click on it, it will give you a summary. You can go ahead and save this if you want to and just kind of save it as a web page. You can also go to individual questions and filter through responses of these. You can go to individual answers, and here you can see responses as well. Now, if you see on the page this print icon, we can go ahead and just print off all of these responses. So if you hover over it, it will say print response. This will print, in this case, an individual response. So maybe that's what you want. You want to print off people's individual responses. If you just want to print off all responses, you can go to summary, click on the three dots, and then here you'll see print all responses. Now what this is going to do is just print them as a PDF file. So if you go to destination, you can save them as a PDF, click on save, and then you can go ahead and plug in your USB drive. Here we can go ahead and then save this to our drive. So once we've plugged in the drive, we should be able to see it by going to this PC, and then we can refresh if it doesn't show. And then we should be able to see our USB drive, which we can click on open and then save. Now this will only save it as a PDF format. If you want something a bit more robust and easier to view and easier to track the data, you can click View in Sheets on Google Forms, and that will open up a Google Sheet showing you all of the responses, the timestamp, and what these people have answered. You can then go ahead and download this to your USB drive as well. So to do that, you want to go to File, Download, and again, you've got more options. You can download as a PDF. I'm going to download it as a Microsoft Excel format. And once we've clicked on that and downloaded it, it's going to go into the Downloads folder. Here we can open up the File Explorer. I can then click on Downloads. This is going to be the Excel file. We can then right click on this, click Copy. Then you can go to this PC, find your USB drive, right click and paste. So now we've got these responses on our USB drive in two different formats. You can go ahead and use whichever one of those you want.